My passion for wine began as an undergraduate at UC Davis. I really learned that I loved enjoying wine. When I graduated, what I wanted to do was accelerate my career in the wine industry and make a kind of a change in the direction I was going. The UC Davis Graduate School of Management has helped excel my career because it has helped me look at things from a different perspective. It's given me the opportunity to look at big and small problems from a very tactical perspective and also very strategic. Everything from the cost of production, to sales techniques, to marketing, and I felt like the UC Davis Graduate School of Management was the perfect place to learn that. I was specifically interested in things like marketing and how consumers engage with the wine category and how to do research to really understand what their preferences were. I was also interested in the accounting side of the business and what really drives business decisions. I really gained a great deal of understanding about marketing research from Professor Bunch. For example, doing marketing research and writing survey questions, doing statistical analysis, all part of my job as a buyer for a big grocery chain. In 2020, I became the 53rd person in the United States to become a Master of Wine. A great combination with my MBA from UC Davis, as I can combine my knowledge of wine with the business of wine. It's important for the alumni to give back, and that's why I'm excited to be part of the alumni board at the UC Davis Graduate School of Management. It's especially important to stay involved as alumni because the networking opportunities for students really drives business and business schools. Especially here, we have such a rich alumni community in Northern California and across the US.